Up, guys? It's your favorite reseller Morgan back again with another video. This has been a long requested video on how to get tax exempt for Walmart. So let's dive into it. First things first. Okay, so when you get a Walmart tax exempt account, it's not like other places where when you buy purchases, you can choose what you want to be tax exempt and what you don't want to be tax exempt. When you get a Walmart tax exempt account, everything that's in your cart will then be tax exempt. So you really need a Walmart account for your personal Walmart, and that's where you can get your Walmart Plus set up to use Scan and Go. Then you need a Walmart account for all tax exempt purchases. Again, because no taxes will be charged on anything that you buy through there. The reason why you don't want the Walmart Plus set up on the tax exempt one is because you cannot use Walmart Plus for reselling activity. However, Scan and Go is not quite reselling activity. That makes shopping at Walmart easier. So to do tax exempt online, you're going to go to walmart.com. Scroll down to the bottom, all the way to the bottom, and you're going to see tax exempt program. Click that. So here you're going to see, are you a tax exempt organization? Join Walmart Business and enroll here. I personally do not have Walmart Business. I haven't seen it be beneficial or any different really than using a regular Walmart account. So if you want to do that, you can. However, what I do is I go, are you a tax exempt individual? Even if you have an LLC, an incorporation, whatever, this is where you can sign up if you don't want the Walmart Business account. So click here for apply here. Then you are going to go through and fill out all of this information. When you click save and continue, it's going to ask for your resale certificate. So in my state, that's what it's called. In other states, it's called resale certificate, tax exempt certificate, some sort of certification that you get from the state that says that you can be tax exempt. That's where you're going to submit that, and then you're going to click submit. Once you click submit, mine was really quick, but it can take, I think it's up to 7 business days, and then they'll email you once it's complete. Once it's complete, again, everything on that account is now going to be tax exempt. So you need to make sure also when you are on walmart.com that you're logged in to whatever account you want to be tax exempt. Now, to do this in store, you're going to go to the customer service desk. You're going to have your tax exempt certificate, and you're going to have your license. Now you're going to tell them that I want to sign up to be tax exempt, and they're going to ask you for those 2 things, and they're going to tell you that it takes a while. It takes a long time. So you can just ask them, can I go shop through the store? They'll usually suggest that you shop through the store, and they'll call you on the intercom when it's all done. Mine literally took like an hour. So go to the store with the intention of grocery shopping or sourcing or something. Once they do that, you'll get a little card. It looks like a business card, and it'll have your name and your Walmart tax exempt ID on it. Not your name, your business name, your Walmart tax exempt ID on it, and what store gave you that. Now, you will need to renew this every year. So every year you'll have to go to the customer service desk and give them this. It doesn't have to be at the same store as the original one, but you do have to do that. So hopefully that helps.